My name is Rajesh Kumar.
My name is Januman.
My topic is heart attack.
My topic is cardiac arrest.
First, my point is heart attack. What is the heart attack? Heart attack is related with the cardiovascular disorder, which is also known as myocardial infarction.
Such a wonderful point, sir. My first point is also similar to the first point of heart attack. That cardiac arrest is related to the cardiovascular disease disorders.
Heart attack, it is also known as myocardial infarction. It is a suddenly occurrence when the coronary artery and stop the flow of the blood and oxygen toward the heart muscles is called heart attack.
So, what is called cardiac arrest? Cardiac arrest is a sudden loss of blood flow resulting from failure of the heart to pump effectively.
Wonderful. Now, the causes of the heart attack. There are multiple causes of the heart attack, but it is the most and first of the commonest of the cause of the heart attack is acute coronary thrombosis. It is related and it is estimated that 90% of the cases come from the acute coronary thrombosis.
So there are many causes of the cardiac arrest. So I want to tell you the first cause, which the most common cause of the cardiac arrest, that is myocardial function.
Wonderful. Number second cause of the heart attack is arteriosclerosis. It means the hardening of the artery.
Such an amazing one. So second cause is cardiac electrical event.
The third cause of heart attack is vasospasm of coronary artery.
Also the most means one of the most common cause of the cardiac arrest is respiratory arrest.
Number fourth is the cause of the heart attack is about embolism of coronary artery.
Means the fourth cause of the cardiac arrest is hypothermia, loss of blood.
Number fifth, it is also a risk factor and cause of the heart attack is smoking and high fatty diet intake.
So fifth cause of the cardiac arrest is loss of blood and overuse of drugs.
Wonderful. Now we turn the sign and symptom of the heart attack. There are multiple sign and symptom of the heart attacks. First, I want to share with you about chest pain. Chest pain is the most common sign and symptom of the heart attack.
The signs and symptoms of cardiac arrest are, means the first point is absence of heartbeat.
Number second sign and symptom of the heart attack is about upset of the stomach.
Such
Yes.
an amazing one, nice sir. Second main sign and symptom of the cardiac arrest is pallor or cyanosis.
Wonderful. The third sign and symptom, it is a like light headache or hardness of the head.
And the third sign of the cardiac arrest is unconsciousness.
Wonderful. The fourth of sign symptom, it is about excessive sweating.
The fourth cause of the cardiac arrest is apnogas.
Number fifth sign and symptom of the heart attack is about like shortness of the breathing.
The last symptom of the cardiac arrest is eye dilate.
When the heart attack occurs, they have some cause, they have some sign and symptom, but now we have done how to be diagnosed, how to be evaluate of the heart attack. The first point of the evaluation of the heart attack is about by the ECG. Yes.
The diagnosis of cardiac arrest is first point is coronary angiography.
The second also diagnosis evaluation of the heart attack is about angiography.
Second point is echocardiography.
The similar of the diagnosis of the heart attack is like echocardiography.
The third point is TROP T.
It is also familiar with the heart attack. We do diagnosis or evaluations for TROP-T and TROP-I.
Means there is a similarity between these.
Now, when any patients or any people who are suffering from the heart attack or who are not doing on the time of the treatment or any other things, it will be converted into complication. The first complication of the heart attack, it is about shock and heart failure.
The first complication of cardiac arrest is stroke and renal failure.
Wonderful. The second complication of the heart attack, it is about pulmonary embolism.
Second complication of cardiac arrest is neurological replacement.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Number third complication of the heart attack, it is about dysarrhythmia.
And the third complication of the cardiac arrest is fatal, means death. Fatal.
Now it's turn about how to manage heart attack. The first management of the heart attacks, you should be apply the cardiac monitor to monitor heart rhythm and rate, and also provide supplement oxygens as needed of patients. Yes, it's your turn.
Management of the cardiac arrest means if we want to manage the cardiac arrest, then we have to do CPR.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
When patients are suffering from the heart attack, he or her suffer from the chest pain, and chest pain we should be relieved by the injection morphine sulfate.
The management means second management of cardiac arrest is the epinephrine, atropine, estropine, sodium bicarbonate, and vasopressin.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
When a heart attack, also they have some medical therapy like anticoagulant therapy, thrombolytic agent, antidysrhythmic agent, and analgesic agent. These are all the medical therapies for the heart attack.
Such a wonderful point, sir.
Thank you.
Apply a cardiac monitor means 100% oxygen monitor rhythm.
Number fourth of the management point about the heart attack, we should be provide complete bed rest to the patient and also provide calm environment to the patients.
Which means the fourth management, we should insert an oral and artificial airway to maintain the tongue in a forward position.
Wonderful point. Number last point about how to manage surgical as a heart attack. So surgical we manage by the 2 points. The first is the CABG, like is the coronary artery bypass grafting, and number second is the angioplasty.
There is a similarity between these, means both of the similar in the cardiac arrest. So thank you.
Thank you for listening.